Hi everyone. Today's topic is the response of high-pass RC circuit for exponential signal. In the previous class, we have seen that the response of low-pass RC circuit for exponential signal, and we have derived the output expression, that is the voltage across the capacitor. Using that, we can also find out the response of HPRC circuit for exponential signal. This is the input signal, exponential signal applied to the HPRC circuit, and we will see how the output waveform will changes or output waveform will appear. Okay, we know the input function V input of t is V into the exponential function V into 1 minus e power of minus t by tau, and we know the HPRC circuit. For the HPRC circuit, the input voltage is equal to the total input voltage V input of t equal to voltage across the capacitor plus voltage across the resistor. Resistor, it is nothing but the input. So we know the input function and also the voltage across the capacitor. In the previous class, we have derived the voltage across the capacitor when the exponential signal is applied to LPRC. So we know Vc of t and V input of t. Now we can calculate the Vr of t. So the Vr of t is nothing but V input of t minus Vc of t. Okay, the V input of t is this one, where Vc of t equal to, we know the voltage across the capacitor is V into 1 minus e power of minus x by 1 minus n plus n into e power of minus x by n by 1 minus n. This is we had derived in the last class. If you want to know, you can go through that last video and you can see this one. So we know the equation 1 and equation 3 and substitute in the equation 2. Now substitute equation 1 and 3 in equation 2. We will get Vr of t equal to V into 1 minus e power of minus x. Here t by tau. In the last class, we have derived these terms as t by tau equal to x minus V into 1 minus e power of minus x by 1 minus n plus n into e power of minus x by n into 1 minus n. Now product and simplify each terms, then it is represented as V minus V into e power of x. Multiply these terms minus, now multiply these also terms, V minus into minus plus V into e power of minus x by 1 minus n, minus into plus minus, minus into V into n into e power of minus x by n by 1 minus n. I am producting each terms. Okay, and now I am simplifying the common terms. The plus V and minus V will get cancels. So the Vr of t equal to the Vr of t equal to minus V into e power of x plus V into minus x by 1 minus n minus Vn into e power of minus x by n into 1 minus n. From the above equation I have written. Now taking the V as common, now simplify this one. The V into e power of minus x by 1 minus n minus e power of minus x. I am taking the V common for both these two terms. Now minus Vn into e power of minus x by n by 1 minus n. Okay, now simplify this one. V into e power of minus x as common. V into e power of minus x into 1 minus n minus 1, and taking this one also common, n into e power of minus x by n by 1 minus n. Okay. Now taking e power of minus x as common. See here, we are taking the common terms as V as a common term and we are representing like this. Now simplify this one. Now take the LCM, then it is represented as V into e power of minus x into 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus n by 1 minus n minus n by 1 minus n into e power of minus x by n. Okay, now this can be written as v into plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, e power of minus x into n by 1 minus n minus n by 1 minus n into e power of minus x by n. Okay, now the output expression, it can be represented as follows. The VR of t equal to v into, I am taking n by 1 minus n is common, n by 1 minus n into e power of minus x minus e power of x by n. This is the voltage across the resistor, and it is the output expression for the exponential signal when it is passed through the high pass RC circuit. Okay, this one is like this. Okay, this is the output expression for the exponential signal when it is applied to the high pass RC circuit, and the output waveform will be represented like this. There is a variation in the output, V output of t. The actual exponential signal should be appear like this, but it is appear like this for different n values. For different n values like 100, n equal to 20 or 10 or etc. Okay, this is the output signal. This is the output signal. Okay, and thank you.